Now that we know what a piecewise function is, let's talk about how we evaluate a piecewise function. So here's our piecewise function from before. F of x equals x squared when x is less than 1 and 2x plus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate this at several points. And we're going to start with the first one, f of minus 3. So the first thing we do is we figure out which region minus 3 is in. Is it in x is less than 1 or x is greater than or equal to 2? And it's in this one. So that means f of 3 is going to use this rule. So we're going to get minus 3 squared, which is equal to 9. So f of minus 3 is 9, and we get a point at minus 3, 9. Well, f of 0, again, 0 is less than 1, so again we're going to use our blue one, and we're going to get 0 squared, which is equal to 0, and so we get a point at 0, 0. F of 1, well, 1 isn't less than 1, and it's not bigger than 2, so this is an undefined, and there's no point because f of 1 doesn't exist in this particular graph. Neither would 1.5 or 1.99 or any other number between 1 and 2. Well, f of 2, in this case, 2 is greater than or equal to 2, so we're going to use this rule, and we're going to get 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 4 plus 1 is 5, so I get a point at 2, 5. Notice I switched rules because I switched which area I was in my piecewise function. One last one, f of 5 becomes 2 times, because again, 5 is bigger than 2, so 2 times 5 plus 1, which is 10 plus 1, which is 11, so I get a point at 511. And now I've evaluated these at their given points by comparing the value first against the region, and then once I know which of these lines to use based on the value of it, I then come back in and plug it into that corresponding rule.